Hi, today I'm going to show you how to work on the foundation chain. I've chained a chain of 7, and I'm going to start by single crocheting in the second chain from the hook. And you will see which chain it is by looking at these V's, and you see one up here and you see one going all the way down. So you're going to skip this first one and go into the second one through the top loop only. And I'll show you that in the next one. Okay, so you'll see how this has a bottom loop right here and leaves a hole, and the reason you want that is that when you're working on the bottom side of the chain, it's easier to just work into the spaces. Okay, so I'm going to go into the next one and just go through the top like that and single crochet. If you need help with single crocheting, you can watch my tutorial video on single crocheting, and you'll find that on my YouTube channel or by going on my blog, adrielishc.blogspot.com. Okay, now this last one, I'm not going to finish off with this color. I'm going to use another color so that I can show you how more clearly how the bottom stitches work. So I'm going to add this color like I would any other color change, and if you need help with that, you can also find that video on my blog. Okay, so I'm just going to tie one knot. I would recommend tying 2, but this is just a sample, so I'm just going to do it once. And you can actually work your very first stitch into that same space, because what's going to happen is as you work on the bottom, it's going to move into place. Okay, so now you will look at this and you can see here is your next stitch. And if you did as I told you, you'll have that space. So that's what you're going to work into. Like that. You will see how you have 2 stitches in one space, one on the top and one on the bottom. Or this would be actually the top. So now you're going to work into the next space, and you can see where your stitch is and you can see where your space is. Like that. And the next one. Right there. And the next one. Okay. And then this last one can get a little bit confusing just because you do have that first chain you did. But if you keep looking and you see that these are all right beside each other, so I would go in right there where you can see a tiny little space. Start your hook and single crochet, and you will see how that works nicely. From here you would place your stitch marker if you want. Change colors. If you're changing colors, you would change it in the last one. And then continue to single crochet. I'm just going to continue in this same color just to show you, and you would just keep going like that. Alright, so that's how you work on the foundation chain. Hope this video was helpful. If you need any help with anything from my patterns, techniques, or specific items, just let me know. You can contact me through my Ravelry group, Adrielish Designs, or send me an email, and the email can be found on the last page of your purchased pattern. Thanks for watching.